Govee Floor Lamp Pro. When we think of smart lights, it's usually bulbs or strips that come to mind. But Govee is pushing the boundaries of smart lighting with unique designs that rethink how we illuminate our spaces. Their recent updates to the original Lyra floor lamp, the Govee Floor Lamp Pro and the Floor Lamp 2, are perfect examples. These floor lamps are crafted to direct light toward the wall, especially in corners, creating a beautiful painted effect with any of the 16 million plus colors, including various shades of white. This indirect lighting approach fills a room with a soft, ambient glow that feels refreshingly different from traditional lamps. 3. Go 2. The Go 2 combines impressive technical capabilities with a sleek, futuristic design, making it a standout in the world of robotics. The Go 2 Air model is tailored for demonstrations and presentations, offering a solid foundation to showcase the movement and functionality of a four-legged robot. It's important to note that the Go 2 Air does not come with a controller, which can be purchased separately. Height is AP80 Pro X. The AP80 Pro X is a compact powerhouse designed to deliver unbeatable sound quality. It features dual ESS 9219C DAC chips that provide an unprecedented dynamic range and ultra-low distortion. At the heart of the AP80 Pro X is the built-in HBC 3000 FPGA chip, which enhances the accuracy of digital music reproduction.